girlfriend?
No.
Would you like one?
No.
I can get you one. We have some beauties here. No?
No?
Do you have a crush on somebody?
No.
Well, that's not the kind of crush I'm accustomed to. Okay. Great. Okay. Okay. All right, pick your color. Okay, stand back.
Pick red.
These are called babushkas. No, right here. You don't have to leave. Okay. You throw me that one, I'll throw you this one. Ready? Go. Oh, good. Keep going quicker. We got another 3 hours. Come on, Tim, throw it to me. Whip it good. No, now it's a floor show. Come on. Pick it up. Yeah, come on, catch it. Keep going quicker. Quicker. Come on. Come on, throw it. Come on, catch it. Catch this. Come on. It's not hot. Come on, catch it. Come on, throw it. Come on. Don't show them that side. We don't want to see that. Oh boy, this is what it looks like when you do it by yourself. Look, after I take my medicine.
Stop, please, Ryan.
Like this.
Guys, I can't see.
Tell me something.
I can't see.
Would you boys and girls be impressed if I made a rap